welcome to Let's Make a Drink.
Officially.
Each week you get worse. How do you do that?
Because
Mom?
she's
It's
more
all
than
about
a drink before it
practicing.
starts. I practice for half an hour before I go. 2 ounces of whiskey. Did you guys get your whiskey? You got
whiskey on?
some bitters. You need some simple syrup or some sugar because we're gonna muddle the orange slice and the cherry with the bitters and the sugar, just like they taught me back in the day in the bartending school. So start
That again?
bitters. It used
No,
to
what's it called? What's the name of it?
Angostura.
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 Okay.
Muddle your fruit now. Muddle them all together. Careful, it'll squirt in your face, and then you won't be able to see the rest of the night. Friday night. Let's put a little, give a little
A little
pouring
heavy
music.
pour. Yeah, where's our pouring music?
Kathy Kabelski's in the chat. Hi,
Ah,
Kathy.
oh, that's nice. Smooth jazz. There you go.
Don Draper would be so proud.
Vicky's in the chat.
And there is your
Look at that.
old fashioned. Oh, here we go.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
turn around. Yes, turn around, go back the other way.
Go back the other way. Back again. Oh my God. The dog's in the way. Good God. We gotta work on a choreography.
We got a little,
I wasn't prepared for a conga line. You gotta let it go well first. She's up.
All right. Give it a shake or a stir. And then pour it into your cocktail glass. You can have this on the rocks as well. I'm choosing to make this up. You're not going to fill your glass, okay? And then you're going to top this off with some lovely Prosecco.
And we're cool with our vodka Tito's shit. No, not All American. Mo, what did I turn you on to this week?
I liked All American.
Goliath. Yeah.
Goliath.
I did like All American. I did.
Scream
It
powder.
was, it's like
Yeah.
All American
You
is
need to
like
watch it.
is like 902.